Hello everybody, this is a 2008, 9, 10 Honda Odyssey, and on this one I'm going to show you guys how to replace your spark plugs and ignition coils if you have to. We are replacing ignition coils today. So the front ones are easy. You got your Allen heads right here, right here, right here, and then unplug the ignition coils like this. The back one is where little confusion is, so you can easily reach the back coils right here. 1, 2, and 3. So you need a smaller extension setup to get to the actual plugs, but there is enough room for you to get the coils out and plugs out. Right? Once you get those Allen bolts out, just pull the ignition coils out like that. It's very easy. Towards the radiator, and there you go. The back ones, you can see once you get the bolts out, just pull them straight out like that. There is plenty of room. Only the heater core line will be in the way of the last coil. You'll see this guy here. So that line you can push down just a slight bit, move the coils notch out, and lightly guide it out. You don't want to break any. Move it around, and there you go. So when you pull it out, you're going to be like this. When you go up, pull it out like that. Now let's pull the plugs out. This is the setup I'm using to take my plugs out. Now sometimes you do need a magnet to get the plugs out of there. Here we go. So interesting part is some of the plugs have pretty good use marks, some of the two don't, so either they would replace later or not. Anyway, I'm adding new plugs and new coils. To install the new plugs, you're going to make sure you get the good quality iridium plugs. That's what's required in this car. I don't know what was in here. Yeah, it's an iridium plugs before. They are 11 and we are using the 11 plugs. So I also got brand new ignition coils. So the ignition coils are all 6. The old ones are going to be staying here. I don't know which one is misfiring. This car was misfiring pretty bad, and it was intermittent. I couldn't diagnose it, so you're going to go ahead and swap the plugs and coils. You're going to install this where you took it out. Hand guide the plugs just a little bit before you put your gun on it or torque wrench on it, because you don't want any threads to go in incorrect. So crooked thread equals head job. So we're just gonna get our new coils, go in here first, then go into the cylinder, push it on, make sure it clicks, put the plug in, make sure it clicks, and put in our bolt. Hand guide the bolt as well, tighten everything down. You're all done changing your ignition coils and plugs. Thanks for watching everybody. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.